Hi, my name's Neil Hipwell. I'm the founding director of the design and construct building company Futureflip, and we've been in business for 12 years and we've built over 90 homes to date. We've been working with the team at James Hardie to bring you some tips and tricks on how to build your business for a series of videos. For the third video, we're going to be talking about how to manage your timelines to ensure you're going to meet your deadlines. We've applied commercial principles to residential building. We've perfected a system that works really well for us and amplifies our strengths. And most of my staff are actually managers. Every area of the business is well supervised and managed. Every site that we have has an active site manager at all times, which helps us load up the site with lots of trades. By keeping a lean and agile structure, we're able to pivot and apply new methods of working on the fly. Every Futureflip employee knows they may have to sometimes do things that they're not typically accustomed to get the job done. I make a point of employing people that are flexible and have a broad range skill set that we can draw on at times. After every project's complete, we always sit down as a team, discuss what went really well and areas that we could have improved on for the next build. It's important for you and your team to be really humble and learn from all your mistakes. After we've submitted our development application, we make a habit of calling our clients every couple of weeks to give them a quick update and make sure they feel really informed of the process. It's really difficult to predict how long a development application will take to be approved, but it's really important to keep a close contact with your clients and they're well informed of what's happening and what you're doing to push it along. It all comes back to communication. It might not be your strong point, but it's really important. Once we've received our approval and all the red tape is down, we'll then move into the proposal stage. So your clients could be one of your biggest marketing tools. But to be sure the project runs smoothly and you achieve your deadlines, it's important to get on the front foot with your client. So make sure they understand you're there to help guide them along the way. There's a fine line between keeping your clients happy by just saying yes to everything, as opposed to giving them constructive advice that will help them achieve a great result. So you need to be clear from the get-go about what methods of communication you're going to take and who their key point of contact will be throughout the entire project. I'm not going to lie, building is stressful. To manage everyone's expectations, keep everyone happy, and also have a young family and a wife at home to keep happy, stress is a big problem. But luckily, I've been fortunate enough to have a really good team around me to help share the workload. In our office, we've got 8 staff managing all the contractors and the subcontractors to ensure that they'll be there on the day they say they're going to be and they'll follow through with what they agreed on. Some people in the building industry can be really unreliable. It's really important for us to have a team that can mitigate the risk so we don't get left with things half finished. So if someone doesn't turn up on our sites, we've always got plan B, C or D ready to go and a new contractor will be there the next day. On a building site, things can go wrong. So it's important to prepare for the worst and always have systems and procedures in place in case something does go wrong. One thing I've always learned, make sure you run your business in a way that suits you and a way that you can manage over a long period of time. So one thing I've learned in business, you need to have good people around you so you can meet your timelines. Try and use really high quality, honest subcontractors and trades that you can use time and time again. Most of our trades have been with me from day dot. This makes life so much easier for everyone in the office because we're not using new people all the time. It's important to build a relationship with people that you trust to ensure that you get a great outcome for your client and you build a great reputation. By having an engaged, trustworthy team, you can be sure of the level of quality that you're going to provide.